The Human Development Index, or HDI, is a statistic used to rank countries by their social and economic development. Here is how it works. Think of it as a report card for nations, moving beyond simple GDP to look at the actual quality of life for citizens. The score is a decimal between 0 and 1. A higher number indicates a higher level of development across three key pillars. The index balances three things: how long people live, how much they learn, and how much economic wealth the average person produces. We often judge a nation by its bank account, but money doesn't tell the whole story of how people are actually living their lives. Over the last few decades, global HDI scores have generally trended upward, reflecting massive improvements in global health and literacy rates. The core takeaway is that a strong economy is useful, but only when it translates into better lives for the people living in it. Understanding global metrics helps us see the bigger picture of economic health. If you found this useful, subscribe for more money basics.